السلام عليكم ومرحبا بكم من جديد. الفيديو ديال الافعال اليوم غادي نديروا واحد الفعل، غادي نديروا 5 ديال الافعال جداد. Welcome again to this new video about Moroccan Arabic verbs. This is the third video or the third episode in this series of 100 verbs. Good. So the first one here is انتقد. انتقد is to criticize someone. انتقد. So if you are talking to a woman, it's انتقدي. If you are talking to a man, it's انتقد. If you are talking to a group of people, it's انتقدوا. So let's practice saying them. Can you pronounce the first one? انتقد. Good. The second, انتقدي. Great. The third, انتقدوا. Nice. Now let's move to two sentences using this verb, and let me start with المغاربة كينتقدوا بزاف. Moroccans criticize a lot. المغاربة. This is the plural, like Moroccans. المغاربة. كينتقدوا they criticize بزاف. A lot. بزاف. If you want to make it very, means a lot, you add more A's. بزاف. Too much. كينتقدوا بزاف. انت اللي انتقدتيني. It's you who criticized me. انت, you, li is that or who. انتقدتيني. So this is past tense of the verb انتقد. So أنا انتقدت, you just add T. If you are talking to a man or a woman, you say انت انتقدتيني. انتقدتي. That's for the past suffixes. And انتي انتقدتيني. The verb is the same for انت and انتي. انت اللي انتقدتيني. It's you who criticized me. انت اللي انتقدتيني. Can you write a sentence with this verb in a comment below? The second verb in this video is قارن. قارن is to compare between two things. قارن. So the imperative forms are قارن if you are talking to a man, قارني if you are talking to a woman, قارنوا if you are talking to a plural, to a group of people. So let's try and work the pronunciation. قارن. The letter ق comes from here. قارن. And if you're talking to a woman, قارني. You compare. قارني. If you are talking to a group of people, it's قارنوا. So let's practice them. Can you say قارن? Good. قارني. Good. قارنوا. Great. Now let's move to two sentences using this verb. أنا كنقارن المغرب مع فرنسا. أنا كنقارن المغرب مع فرنسا. I am comparing, or I compare Morocco with France. كنقارن المغرب مع فرنسا. أنا كنقارن المغرب مع فرنسا. Can you say this sentence? Great. أنت كتقارن جوج دول كبار. أنت كتقارن جوج دول كبار. You are comparing two big countries. أنت كتقارن جوج دول كبار. أنت كتقارن جوج دول كبار. You're comparing two big cities. أنت كتقارن جوج دول كبار. Can you say the sentence? Great. The third verb here is سمح. 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 سمح is excuse or forgive. سمح. سمح. So let's go to the imperative form. If you are talking to a man, you say سمح. سمح. If you are talking to a woman, سمحي. سمحي. And if you are talking to a group of people, it's سمحو. سمحو. So let's work the pronunciation, and the first one here is سمح. 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 So try to say it without any vowel in between. It's سمح. سمح. I know it's hard. 3 vowels, 3 consonants without any vowel, but you can do it with practice. سمح. Great. سمحي. 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 ح. 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 ح is here. ح. ح. سمحي. And the group, when you're talking to a group of people, is سمحو. 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 Great. So let's see 2 sentences or 2 phrases where we can use the verb. The famous one is سمح لي. سمح لي. سمح لي, which is excuse me. سمح لي عفاك. سمح لي عفاك. Excuse me please. سمح لي عفاك. Or أنا غنسمح ليك. أنا غنسمح ليك. I'll forgive you. أنا The is for the future. نسمح ليك. أنا غنسمح ليك. أنا غنسمح ليك. Can you repeat the first sentence or the first phrase? سمح لي. سمح لي. سمح لي. And the other one is غنسمح ليك. أنا غنسمح ليك. Great. The fourth verb here in this series, in this video, is وري. 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 وري is to show something to someone, or وري, or to show how to do something. وري. وري. The rolling R. وري. 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 Good. And for let's see the 3 forms of the imperative. So وري for masculine, and it's the same for feminine. وري. وري. All verbs that has a at the end, that have I at the end, have the same form. It's the same form for masculine and for feminine. When you're talking to a masculine, when you're talking to a woman, but a plural is وريو. وريو, which is plural. وريو. وريو. So let's practice it. وري for masculine. وري. وري. For some people the rolling R is a little bit hard, but just keep practicing. You will come to it one day. وري. وري. And the plural is وريو. 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 Great. Now let's move to see some sentences, and the first one is وريني لا كارت ديالك. وريني لا كارت ديالك. وريني لا كارت ديالك. Show me your card, your identity card. وريني. وريني. Show me. لا كارت. La carte is the card, or la carte, it's a French word. La carte ديالك. وريني la carte ديالك. Can you repeat it? وريني, show me. La carte is a card. ديالك, yours. And in Morocco, when you say la carte, it means identity card. أعطيني la carte or وريني, show me. The other example, وريني كيفاش ندير. وريني كيفاش ندير. Show me how to do something. وريني, show me. كيفاش, how. ندير, I do. وريني كيفاش ندير. Show me how I can do. وريني. Okay, can you repeat these two sentences? وريني la carte ديالك. Good. وريني كيفاش ندير. Show me how I can do. Good. So the next verb or the last verb in this video is طور. طور is to develop or to improve something, but it's more develop. طور. It's not t, it's not the soft t, it's t. طور. Can you repeat it? طور. Great. So let's see the imperative forms. طور for masculine, طوري for feminine. When you are giving orders, طور for masculine, طوري for feminine, طوروا for plural. Let's practice saying them. So can you practice the first one? Don't be shy. Speak up loudly and or like try to say it as much as possible. طور. Number 2, طوري. Great. طوروا. Perfect. طوروا. And now let's see two phrases or two sentences using this verb. The first one is طور. خصك طور راسك. You have to improve yourself. You have to develop yourself. خصك طور راسك. We have two T's here. The first one, it's because I'm talking to you. خصك طور راسك. Rask is yourself. Rask is your head, but it is used in درجة to mean yourself. خصك طور راسك. طور المهارات ديالك. Like improve your skills. Or develop your skills. طور المهارات ديالك. Great. So we come up to the end of this. See you in the fourth video, and you can find the links to the other videos in the description below. Thank you. الله يعاونكم. الله يهنيكم. Goodbye. It's the same. الله يعاونك. الله يهنيك. Goodbye.